Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we will be learning how you can enable battery saving mode in Undawn game. If you are struggling with fast battery drain while playing survival games like Undawn, then here is a simple way to fix your issue. The first thing to do is to launch the Undawn game on your device and wait until you reach this gameplay section. Once you're inside, go to the upper right hand corner and tap on the menu button. From the menu option, click on settings at the bottom right. After you're inside this settings menu, click on video from the right corner and you'll see preset quality option. Click on battery saving. Now right after you tap on battery saving, click on confirm at the bottom left. And then when this is turned on, this will automatically reduce the graphic quality, lower the frame rate slightly, and optimize background process. So now you can head back to your game and you might be able to find a smoother experience. Now your game should run smoother on your battery while still keeping the fun survival experience alive. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.